I'm a fiend for these. I'm literally bringing 3 to Idaho. Hi guys, we're in Boise. Look at all of the luggage that just the 3 of us had to bring. 6 suitcases in total. Getting the rental car right now.
We're getting a black GMC Denali. It's very big, so I'm not sure I can even drive it.
Oh my gosh, all of these boxes. Those are all packages. Okay, no shoes. Guys, this is the first time we're seeing it completely done. Cassidy finally got to see the house. And we're gonna go eat some lunch at my godparents' house. It's like 1 o'clock right now and we're literally starving. And then I think we're gonna go to Costco and get some stuff for the house. So yeah, I'm so excited. This stuff is perfect for dry skin.
No, I guess walking.
This is like, they know what they're doing. God bless Neutrogena. I can't find these anywhere else. You like that? Y'all have never tried this? Get this. Get it! Get it! Get it! Get it! Yes. Are you kidding? God, this is the best kind. Have you ever had these?
Isn't that the same as that?
This is way better than regular chocolate almonds. These are like crack. They're so good. Annie's are Kraft.
Kraft.
I'm thinking Kraft.
I'm thinking Kraft. Annie's like not good.
You can never play it wrong. And it's cheaper.
Which egg should we get? I like cookies and cream the best. I personally don't really like the chocolate ones, but like cookies and cream is bomb. Go, go.
Oh, ew. I love making egg scrambles, so I'm gonna make an egg scramble. All right, this is what the house currently looks like. We've literally got so much to unpack and put away. You want to keep it? Yeah. Oh, I broke my nail. We have done so much. Let me show you guys what we've done. They're about to open the mattress, but we put some stuff in the bathrooms. But my closet, Cassidy and I hung up clothes and she color coded it. So this is what the closet is looking like right now. Yeah, I'm so excited. I put some shower stuff in there. And then I also put some stuff in there. I'm doing a load of whites right now in the washer.
That feels good. Okay.
We gotta have the mattress test.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Night night. Cass, come on. Oh, someone's filming. Okay. It's comfy.
We're opening pillows. We're having dinner here tonight. Chicken and corn.
First pillow.
Yeah. You're just too slow. Guys, it feels amazing.
It's so nice. I want to sleep out here, and like literally I'll sleep anywhere. I'll sleep anywhere.
Welcome to day 2 of moving in. We're at Target this morning. We slept at my godparents last night, and we're gonna get some more stuff. 20 seconds into Target and we've already hit the Dollar Tree section.
I think that is.
That's really, okay, I like it.
Oh, Sergey. It's $14?
so good. We have this at my house. The drawers are really wide, so it can fit a lot. Hold up your Starbucks.
Can I tell them my order? Probably 1,000 of people that get this order, but I got an iced white mocha with vanilla sweet cream cold foam. It's so good, and I already know like most people get this order, but I don't care.
I got the grande brown sugar, grande iced brown sugar shaken espresso with oat milk, and I get 1 pump of mocha and light ice.
And I get the classic vanilla ice latte.
Yum! Okay, so we're sitting outside of HomeGoods right now. It opens at 9:30.
We got 5 minutes.
We've got 5 minutes, and we got so much stuff at Target today. But our plan is, if like certain things don't work out or don't fit, we're just gonna return it. It's like better to get more and then be able to return it than not get enough and have to go back. Excuse me.
That was so good.
So that was really good. So yeah.
Oh my gosh, disgusting. That is so disgusting.
That was so good. I literally forgot. Oh, also Drew's coming today. He's at the airport right now, about to go on the plane, or he probably is on the plane already.
He took off already, I'm sure.
Yeah, but he's getting in tonight at 5, and then Miss Rhonda's coming in tomorrow. Yay! So
Cassidy's
excited.
super excited to see her mama.
Yes. I cannot wait to see her. I miss her. Anyways, yeah, we're gonna go to HomeGoods. See you guys there. Bye.
Ready? Oh wait, we need to go in
I want to put this on my balcony.
But you want to get a rocking chair.
We're looking at this 5-piece set with this bench, these 2 tables, and those 2 chairs. Okay guys, these chairs, I'm obsessed. They're $400 each though.
I was gonna see if I found them.
What do you think?
I think
I like
yes,
them.
but price says no.
The price is kind of expensive. I'm like that. We wouldn't have to build it. Okay.
Put them in the house and we can just sit on them.
Okay, so we're getting these 2 chairs and this little bench. Cassidy wicker.
I'll clean it for you.
The builder just dropped this off. Look at how gorgeous this is.
So nice.
There's too much sweets in here.
I see lots of things that I like.
So look at how cute this is. It's like wrapped in a doormat.
That is so cute. So candle, cup.
There's a little plant. Look at these ice cubes.
What?
Reusable ice cubes. Popcorn. Yum. Good morning and welcome to day 4 of moving in. Yesterday I didn't vlog because Drew flew in and then Miss Rhonda did too. So we had quite the day, but this morning Drew and I went on a 3-mile walk and we got some stuff. We got some things for the house and he just put together this bed while I was showering and getting ready and it looks amazing. It looks so nice. Oh, I like it. I'm obsessed. Shout out to Drew. He's the best.
He's amazing.
Do you like Drew?
He's amazing. He's a keeper.
Oh. Anyways, this is today's fit. I've got on this. Yeah, I love it. I've got on this workout top from Athleta, and then these shorts from, I want to say PacSun. Look who's here.
Hello.
I think unpacked is better.
Okay, Drew, what else is new? Whoa. Shout out HomeGoods. And their swivel, which is like so nice. So I'm getting a little kitchen table set for out here from IKEA. You guys, I just got my package from Lululemon. I ordered a new backpack, so I'm gonna open it right now. This is so cute. Okay, we're at the Meridian Village right now shopping, and you guys, look at how beautiful this frame is. Uva and my dad just came here with my car packed with all of my stuff. So now we've got to tackle this mess.
TV position.
Good morning. Hi guys. Today is June 2nd. We're supposed to be running a 5K right now, but we got the wrong.
It's 2 hours away.
Yeah. We were supposed to do the run in Boise, but we accidentally signed up for 2 hours away. So we're not going there, and yeah, my dad and Uber are trying to figure out the TV where it's gonna go. Right there. And then we're gonna go downtown and go to the Bronco shop. Don't think your turn?
Just that side. Nothing towards the top.
No. Like my window and your window.
Yeah, but just only the ones today, right?
Yeah. The windows at your room and my room are what we're gonna get blinds for.
Look how pretty the mountains are.
Just walk in our bedroom, you'll see.